Today, I invite you to embark on a journey of introspection, a deep dive into the teachings of Tony Robbins and how they intersect with the profound concept of shadow work. Both realms offer transformative insights into the human psyche, and when combined, they can catalyze profound personal growth. At the heart of Tony Robbins' teachings lies the belief that we have the power to shape our destinies. He often speaks of the invisible forces that drive our actions, emphasizing the importance of understanding and mastering our emotions, beliefs, and values. But where do these invisible forces come from, and how can we harness them for our benefit? Enter the realm of shadow work. The term shadow was popularized by the Swiss psychiatrist Carl Jung. It refers to the unconscious part of our personality, the aspects of ourselves that we deny or suppress. These are the parts of us that lurk in the dark, often manifesting as irrational fears, limiting beliefs, or self-sabotaging behaviors. Now you might wonder, how does this relate to Tony Robbins' teachings? We are going to uncover the main principles of shadow work that also are present in Tony Robbins' teachings. Principle number 1, embracing the full spectrum of emotions. Tony Robbins often speaks of the need to embrace all our emotions, even the negative ones. He believes that every emotion serves a purpose. Similarly, shadow work encourages us to confront and integrate these suppressed emotions, recognizing that they hold valuable lessons. Principle number 2, breaking patterns. Robbins emphasizes the importance of identifying and breaking limiting patterns in our lives. Shadow work aligns with this by urging us to uncover the root causes of these patterns, many of which stem from our shadow selves. Principle number 3, the power of stories. Tony Robbins teaches that the stories we tell ourselves shape our realities. Shadow work delves deeper, urging us to question where these stories originated and how they might be linked to unhealed wounds or unacknowledged parts of ourselves. Principle number 4, transformation through awareness. Both Robbins and shadow work practitioners believe in the transformative power of awareness. By shining a light on our innermost fears and desires, we can begin the process of healing and growth. Principle number 5, empowerment. At the core of Tony Robbins' teachings is the idea of empowerment. He believes that we have the power to change our lives. Shadow work complements this by providing the tools to delve deep into our psyche, confront our shadows, and emerge stronger and more integrated. Now that we have covered some of the principles of shadow work as they relate to Tony Robbins' teachings, let's delve into some powerful shadow work exercises that can guide us towards a more integrated and resilient self. Action 1, journaling with honesty. Begin by setting aside a dedicated time each day to write. Ask yourself probing questions like, what triggers me? Or why did I react that way? By confronting these questions head on, you'll uncover hidden beliefs and patterns. Remember, the key is brutal honesty with oneself. Action 2, dialoguing with the shadow. Visualize the part of you that you're least proud of. It could be your anger, jealousy, or fear. Now, engage in a dialogue with this part. Ask it questions. Understand its needs. This exercise helps in acknowledging and integrating these suppressed aspects. Action 3, the mirror exercise. Stand in front of a mirror, looking deeply into your own eyes. Ask yourself, who am I? Allow any feelings, memories, or thoughts to arise without judgment. This exercise can reveal hidden aspects of yourself that you've been unwilling or unable to see. Action 4, dream analysis. Our dreams often contain symbols and scenarios that reflect our shadow selves. Keep a dream journal. Over time, you'll begin to see patterns and recurring themes that can offer insights into your unconscious mind. Action 5, seek feedback. Sometimes our shadows are more visible to others than they are to us. Ask trusted friends or family members for honest feedback about your behavior. While it can be challenging to hear, this external perspective can be invaluable. Action 6, guided meditations. There are numerous guided meditations available that focus on shadow work. These can help you safely explore and integrate your shadow, fostering a deeper understanding of yourself. Action 7, artistic expression. Use art, be it drawing, painting, or even dance, to express your feelings and emotions. Often our shadow communicates in symbols and images, making artistic expression a powerful tool for exploration. By engaging in these exercises, you're not just confronting your challenges, you're transforming them into stepping stones. The process of shadow work is not about eradicating our dark side, but about understanding and integrating it. It's about turning our vulnerabilities into strengths. In the words of Leonard Cohen, there is a crack in everything. That's how the light gets in. By acknowledging and working with our shadows, we allow that light to shine brighter, cultivating resilience and a deeper understanding of our true selves.